The old Philco. Isn't that thing a beauty? Isn't that a beauty, that thing? That's incredible looking. And over here, here's a, what does that say? Silvertone? Yeah, Silvertone Hi-Fi. 1930s, probably. 1940s. You got an RCA Victor gramophone, actually. There's actually a gramophone right there, which is nice. There's an old Zenith radio, both FM and AM. What a beauty that is. That's got to be like late 60s, that thing. You got the nice typewriter, which is, or no, I don't, actually that might be something with the telephone. That's some kind of a telephone thing or whatever, or a fax machine. I'm not sure what that is, actually. Another old radio right here, General Electric. It's like 1940s at least. Absolutely